So today I will be showing you how to use Jitsi Meet, which is a privacy respecting alternative to Zoom. So first off, today I will be showing you the main web version of Jitsi. So yes, I know there are a bunch of other sites hosting Jitsi like Calyx Meet, but today we are using the main web version. But this process should be the same no matter what site you use. So the first thing you need to do is open meet.jit.si. So once you've done that, enter in a meeting code. So it should be a unique meeting code so nobody else would be using it. So for me it is .browser is OP 2021, so that's a unique one. So why don't we start the meeting? So after you've put in your code, start the meeting. So you just randomly made that code. And then I call myself, let's disable my camera because I might not want to be on camera, who knows. Alex Evans. I don't care what I've called myself. There's another guy on the other end, so this is clearly working, so I can enable my camera. I can disable my camera, I can enable my microphone, and that feeds back, so I don't want to do that. And make sure if you don't, WebRTC is enabled. It might not work if you don't have WebRTC enabled, so make sure that is enabled. But apart from that, I will do more Jitsi tutorials in the future, but until then, happy video calling.